All right, so it is now Thursday, November 17th, about 6:30 in the morning as I get these videos edited up. Last night was our first night of Wednesday night racing at ThunderDome. On-road was up first. Very good turnout considering the weather, road conditions. Last night was the kind of night where roads can turn into a mess in a heartbeat. Just about freezing, wet, all kinds of good stuff this time of year. Anyway, so we had GT12. We had a small heat of VTA with 2. We had Euro Truck make its debut. And then we had a pretty good class for 17.5, stock 12 scale. The VTA main will be with the Euro Truck. Even though John was by himself, I want to give him his chance in the video here. So here we go.
Welcome to another edition of ThunderDome!
Complete domination. She is making Frank look silly. I'm going to tell Frank that.
What happened to Frank?
15-2 that time by, which is hot left. $14.5, new hot left. That time by Virginia. Commanding performance in the regular season. About 3:45 left in this one. Get ready to line them up. Your top qualifier, Steve Miller, on the sound of the tone in less than 5. There we go. Strong air. Oh, Stu turns it a bit too soon. And a nice runner says, thank you very much. And Stu is still over here behind the official stand. Not the way he wanted to start. He's got a fast truck. 5.5, 45 seconds. Plenty of time to get that. But Alan Heisler down the back straightaway. Loving life. Got a great start right here to number 2 spot. From the back to the front. And one lap Ryan has his sights set on Allen for the top spot here for the Stu Miller, trying to make the charge back after that. Certainly a little bit too soon on the first turn. Allen with a 17.0. Ryan with a 16.5. Ryan Snowbell with a 17.4. John Orson 18 flat. Stu 17.3. So Allen hot lapping right there. Until Ryan Greer keeps around at 16.5. We'll go out the back straightaway. Goes to lead. Ryan is calling it past him. Allen looks back to the inside, can't quite make it stick because it's a semi. They don't stick, but Allen takes it back. Ryan back to number 2 spot. Leather Babbage, Miller, Leather Ryan, because he's trying to catch him. He's got Ryan and John in front of him. They're all trying to catch him. The whole field working right now on the American flag on the back straightaway. Allen out front in the orange and black. Ryan all over the rear pin. What did you call that? Over on the grandstand they go. Ryan closes in. To the back straightaway, trying to come up the inside, now looks outside, Allen says, Allen turns him another block! And he's okay! Oh no, he's not okay. Bottoms up or... Oh. Batting down the back straightaway, is he okay? No. So Ryan to the point. With Ryan right behind him, and John and Stu battling now. Stu looking for the pony, looks on the outside, he takes the wind up, the spoiler. Stu closing back in, Ryan and John, they battle out for the final podium spot. Ryan hurries to the point, but back straight away across the stretch with 17.2. Ryan strung out with 17.2. John Olsen 18.9. Top 3. Stu right there looking for a way to the podium. Works way back down by the American flag again. Still 3:40 to go in this lots of time. Stu looks outside, inside a little bit. Here comes Allen back on track. Stu can get that position. Let's see, but get around John. And Allen trying to make his charge back in the first single position. He can pick back up. 3:20 to go. 3:20 to go. Your leader across the strike. Put that number 9 in the books for Ryan Rick. And still riding number 2 spot. John Olsen, number 3 spot. Stu. Now Stu to number 3 spot. See what happens down. Stu's moving around. So Ryan, and Stu your order now. Stu's definitely moving around. Halfway down, 3 down, 3 to go, 3 down, 3 to go. Ryan over to the driver's stand now, working his way by the American flag. Clean check all the way around him. He didn't even need to qualify. He's going to show up, go from the back to the front. Puts that number 11 in the books. Second place, Ryan Crumback comes across the start right there, about 5 seconds back. And Stu hits his start. Stu 16.9, just his hot lap right there. Faster, this race goes on 2.5 minutes to go. Still plenty of time. Stu on the podium now, but wants to improve his position on that podium. We're going to talk about the field though. About half a track lead now over second. Ryan Crumback was crossing the 18.1 to 17.3 for Stu, so almost a second quicker than last lap. Stu trying to reel it in. 2:15 to go, guys. 2:15 to go to the back straight away they go. Here comes second place across the stripe with a 17.3. Miller in the 3 spot, 16.9. Matches his hot lap, so Stu not going up consistent 16.9. Right back to that front. In the top 2 with 2 minutes to go. We were in the center section, over in front of the driver's stand. Second place, third place, we're across the stripe right now. So Ryan has got a comfortable lead, a little over half the track. And I show Ron though, is that Stu Miller getting bigger in that mirror. Stu inching closer. Stu with another 16.9 last time. I think it's 3 in a row. Backs up to 17.2 this time. Both of Ryan and Stu with the 17.2. So they match times with a minute and a half to go, drivers. A minute and a half to go in this one. And get on something lane. Ryan Rick out the front. Good to see Ryan back at the track. Picked up right where he left off. Back at the front. Oh, slide sideways. Here comes Ryan down the back straightaway. A little bit of draft on Allen. Allen just like, you know what? I think I can erase with you, and I'm going to show you. Got this. 5 down, 1 to go, guys. 5 down, 1 to go. That second place battle down the back straightaway continues on. That time, Ryan wanted to take it. Stu pulled away a little bit. They worked their way over to the driver's stand. That is the battle for second place. On the back straightaway. Well, look at traffic over there, but it's okay. We're going to keep rolling. Picking up another 3 tenths, though, with 35 seconds to go. Stu can see him. Can he make the pass? Nobody would catch Ryan Ritter because he was checked out on. Here comes that battle for second place, though. 25 seconds to go as we hit the back straightaway. Ryan with the 17.2, Stu with the 17.2, so that time pretty equal. It looks like Stu had a little better quarter there, though, going in the center section. He picked up a little bit of ground. He's going to need more than that, though. 10 seconds left. They're coming across you. This is the white flag. Stu, I don't see him, but Stu just took the position. Ryan was coming out wide. I lost it. Now Ryan looking back to the inside as they battle. 2 seconds down to none. Time to expire. That battle right in second place. Ryan takes it back. Stu takes it back. Stu looks to the inside. Ryan is like, yeah, outside the third. Stu over to the spot down the backside of the third race. Here comes your leader in the next one. There's your top 3. That's going to do it. So Ryan Ritter can run away and try to walk the field almost. Stu comes on second. Ryan Schoenberg third. John Olsen, Aaron Steven on right from view.